Ever wondered where monarch butterflies flutter off to when they're not gracing our gardens with their vibrant colors? These fascinating creatures play a crucial role in our ecosystem. However, their numbers are dwindling, making the creation of suitable habitats essential. Creating a monarch butterfly habitat isn't as complicated as it sounds. Monarch butterflies need certain plants to thrive. Let's find out what they are. Milkweed plants are vital for these beautiful insects. They are the only place where monarchs lay their eggs and where the caterpillars feed. Without milkweed, there would be no monarchs. However, their diet isn't limited to milkweed. Adult butterflies also need nectar plants for nourishment. So, adding a variety of nectar-rich plants to your garden will certainly entice these winged wonders. Now that we know what plants are needed, how about we learn how to create this habitat? Creating a monarch butterfly habitat is a simple and rewarding task. Let's get started with the step-by-step guide. First, locate a sunny spot in your garden. Monarch butterflies love the warmth. It's where they feed and lay their eggs. Next, plant some milkweed. It's not just a food source, it's a nursery. Monarch butterflies lay their eggs on milkweed and the emerging caterpillars feed on its leaves. Don't forget to add some nectar plants. These provide essential nourishment for the adult butterflies. Try to choose a variety of plants that bloom at different times to ensure a constant food supply. Avoid using pesticides. They can harm the butterflies and their caterpillars. Lastly, provide a shallow water source. Butterflies need water, but they can't land on open water. A shallow dish filled with pebbles and water will do the trick. And voila! You've just created a haven for monarch butterflies right in your backyard. Creating a monarch butterfly habitat not only helps these beautiful creatures, but also adds beauty to your garden. Remember, by planting milkweed and nectar plants, we can provide a haven for monarchs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Together, we can make a difference for monarch butterflies.